Like so many features on this machine, your reverse button can be used in two different ways. So for example, if you are sewing along and you just need to back up a few stitches, you can just hold the reverse button and then release it when you're ready. But here's the trick, I'm touching it while I'm sewing. So if you are stopped and you touch the reverse button, you're going to get the little light here on your purple front of your machine that it's going to sew backwards in a permanent reverse feature until you touch that button again. So if you don't have enough hands to hold the reverse button and hold your project, that is an excellent idea. But I also have had people touch it and wonder why the machine's sewing backwards. So keep in mind you have a reverse when you're sewing and a permanent reverse when you touch it while it's not sewing. So just depending on what you need. And then again, a quick touch will turn that off and you'll be back sewing forward again.